Hey guys, Steve Pelini, VP of Marketing and Sales at Bob's Machine Shop here in Tampa, Florida. This is our operation where we make hydraulic jack plates and outboard accessories for the boating market. So we've been growing constantly over the years, always adding more machines and more employees and working to grow faster. But since 2020, the pandemic hitting, everyone's wanted to get outside and enjoy the outdoors, and fishing has just exploded. Last year we bought 5 new Haas machines. We have 2 more on order now. We have a new robotic arm coming in. We need to get more production out to get these people enjoying their time on the water. So we've been working hard to get it done, and Haas has been a great help.
Hey guys, my name is Mark Pelini. I'm the mechanical engineer here and project manager at Bob's Machine Shop. We've been doing this since 2003, making great hydraulic jack plates and boating accessories for the marine industry. When I first started with Bob's Machine Shop in 2003, we were in a very small facility with maybe 10 personnel. We had 3 machines, and one of them being Haas. As of right now, we're in a 40,000 square foot facility with more than 15 machines and over 55 employees.
So the hydraulic jack plate has evolved over the years, where it used to just be lifting up small little engines for boats getting in the shallows, to now where they're holding up these monsters, up to 600 horsepower new Mercury V12 engines. People are always looking to get more performance out of it, and a hydraulic jack plate is going to let them get it. By lifting that motor up, dialing your prop height, you're going to get into the shallows, you're going to get more speed, you're going to get better fuel economy, and you're going to help protect the sea bottom. You're not going to be tearing up the seagrass, so in a sense we're a green product.
So being innovative in the jack plate industry, we constantly have to change designs of our products to accommodate for the higher horsepower motors and heavier weights of outboard engines. Having all the Haas machines here gives us the ability to finally tune all of our parts to machine them properly.
So one of the important things here at Bob's, we like to keep everything under our control for quality, for scheduling. It's all around, keeps the product in check. So we do our entire manufacturing operation here. Our entire jack plate is built in-house. We do our side rails, our slide plates, our crossbars, our painting, our powder coating. And Haas has a local outlet. It's really made it great and easy for us to keep these machines running, have service here easy, do our preventive maintenance. So as we've grown as a business, we've realized just how much more production we can get out of a horizontal than the verticals. And the verticals still have their place and they're important to us, but the horizontals allow us to get more out the door. And we started with an EC500, which was great having the 2 pallets built in to change it, but we wanted more. We want to get more out the door. So now we ordered our EC400 with the 6 pallet tool. So it allows us to free up more people. They come in, they load up the machine. It's able to eat chips, eat the metal, make chips for 3 hours before they need to come back and touch it.
Each pallet has a tombstone in there that has 4 different sizes, so it maximizes our machining capability so we can get tons of parts done in a short amount of time. Both of our new VF2s are outfitted with the Midaco Pallet Changes, so we can run multiple pallets to again increase our production needs.
So one of the things that's really helped us with running things like the EC400 lights out is the wireless probing system. We're able to have redundancy programming in it where it checks the tool path, makes sure that it's still machining at the proper depth. It can tell if a tool has fallen out of its holder, something's broken, and change to the proper tool. So the Haas controls are a really nice intuitive system. We've trained our own machinists in-house, and a lot of them have never touched this type of control before. So having our new operators come in, being able to see everything on the screen, see tool paths, and just how powerful these new controls are has been such a help. So as Bob's has grown and we run these machines more and more, we're about to start a second shift here. We've started optioning out the machines with the mist collectors, the auto coolant refills, and we want to make sure that these machines are kept running for a long time and that maintenance is up to date. So by making sure that coolant hasn't leaked out, that nothing's having the automatic refill, the mist collectors, make sure our cabinets don't get greasy and disgusting. So like keeping everything nice and clean has really been a nice option. We're really happy to see that Haas has evolved so much as we've grown. So this past year we've gone to start with the Haas tooling. It's very affordable, it seems to do the same job, so I'm glad that we can get it all from one house now. We can get our machines, get our tooling, and not have to be going to different outsources for it. So our experience with the Haas tooling has been great. I have no complaints of it. Being here at Bob's, I'm a fisherman. We're technical people. We like tools and things in general. Having machines, I hate to describe it like this, but it's like we're in our own little American shop. It's a lot of fun here. We are very proud to be made in America. We like that Haas machines are made in America. We can get parts here in America. That's one of the main things we like about the Haas machines. As someone who likes technical things, you like to dig into it, the Haas is really user-friendly and can really be serviced by your own in-house people if you need to, and it's one of the benefits of the product. So thanks so much for coming out here and checking out our shop. If you're a boater, please check out bobsmachine.com and see what we do.